Now it is time for me to do Sundial. I want to take a look at Sndl. I have two articles. I think this will be the clip for tonight. I know, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, Sndl, Sundial. There's a lot of YouTubers out there, I know, talking about Sndl, talking about SEC filings, doing these amazing videos. You know what? Tell them that David and Chewy send a lot of love. This is the David Show. It's not the Green Tom Show. This is my favorite show because it is my show. So yes, guys, today, Sundial, two articles that I want to review, and I want to do some technical analysis. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you will find this interesting and you'll join us in our lives every day, 6:30 a.m. Central Time, 6:30 p.m. Central Time. Ask us any question to me, the community, or even Chewy. Ladies and gentlemen, cannabis producer Sundial up more than 17% following 14% loss on the prior day. Cannabis producer and distributor Sundial Growers surges more than 17% in morning trading after closing Tuesday with a more than 14% loss. Yesterday's decline was because it priced at $74.5 million offering. Sundial is one of the most discussed stocks on Reddit at the moment. There doesn't appear to be any news today that might otherwise account for the stock movement. An article published in the Motley Fool yesterday asked whether Sundial could be the next GameStop. Sundial shares are up 17.3% to 122 in the morning trading, and we're going to review that after hours. But guys, the next article is actually from Motley Fool, and it came out today. This was shared in our Discord community. This was written by Joe Tenebruso. By the way, guys, if you want to be part of our Discord community, check out the join button or the link in the description. It says join to be a member. You click here, something like that. But anyways, why Sundial Growers stock surged today? The prospect of federal legalization in the U.S. could spark a torrent of acquisitions in the cannabis industry. What happened? Shares, but David, what happened? Shares of Sundial's growers jumped 16% on Wednesday as a bevy? Is that how you say it, Chewy? Bevy? Wow, thank you. I was saying it incorrectly. Of positive developments, heightened investor interest in marijuana stocks. So what, David? Cannabis stocks received a boost earlier this week after Democratic Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer. I don't know how to do Chuck Schumer, guys. I could have done the other guy, Mitch McConnell, but Chuck Schumer and Senators Cory Booker and Ron Wyden pledged to lead an effort to end the federal prohibition on marijuana. The war on drugs has been a war on people, particularly people of color, the senators said in a joint statement. Ending a federal marijuana prohibition is necessary to right the wrongs of this failed war and end decades of harm inflicted on communities of color across the country. Public support for marijuana legalization stands at an all-time high. A Gallup poll in November showed that more than 2/3 of Americans want marijuana to be legalized at the federal level. Look at that beautiful flower. On Wednesday, cannabis investors received more good news when Jazz, Pharmaceutical, said it would acquire GW Pharmaceuticals, developer of Epidiolex, the first plant-based cannabis drug approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, for $7 billion. Yahoo! Analyst says the merger could signal the start of a new wave of deal-making in the cannabis industry. Now what, David? Sundial Growers has been preparing itself to participate in the consolidation of the marijuana sector. After a series of share offerings, Sundial expects to have roughly $615 million in unrestricted cash that it could use to purchase other cannabis companies should attractive acquisition opportunities materialize. Holy mofongo! Shuey, your favorite topic. Let's review Sndl, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. Sundial, hey, fat nuts, good to see you. Hopefully you're holding very well, my friend. Let's see over here. Ooh. David, didn't you say that the exponential moving averages, if it closed above the 200 EMA, could go up? Let me look at the monthly. Ooh, man, 121, Sundial. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Hey, hey, hey. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Weekly, very bullish. I like it. I want to see a close above the $1.40. That could definitely be the spark to continue to the upside. The daily. Ooh, guys, do you see this? The exponential moving average is starting to cross. Pablo, this is historic, okay, for Sundial. This is going to be interesting. I like it. I like it. I like the structure that is giving us. We've been talking about this one for quite a while. And I still remember, guys. I still remember the other day we were here. We were like, oh, yeah, it broke a trend line. This actually looks like an opportunity, man. Looks good in the Discord. If we broke the resistance level, it can go up. That's what we've been saying. And look, it did go up. Boom. 50% already. The expectations for Sndl, gonna be very honest, guys, is 389. It's around 394%. I like that $7 area. 850%. And I even see $9, which is 1,000%. And I even see 13, which it was the IPO price, guys. IPO, well, actually IPO wasn't there. IPO price was over here, my friend. It was $8.45. So we already took a look at that. $8.45 there is 1,000%, right? But as you can see over here, once it became public, it created a higher high at $13, around $13, yeah, $13.22, which that move could be 1,500%. Now, I'm able to provide some more price prediction for Sundial, but I just want to see if it actually makes the move. If it makes the move, I'm going to do another video with other price predictions where this can actually go. I do see it going higher, but for now, let's live in the present because it is a gift. And let's see if short term we'll be getting to those targets. Like I said, $3.89, $5, $7, $9, and $13. Very excited to see how this story and company will develop. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about Sndl, Sundial? We will be doing... or are we gonna go to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBob? Ladies and gentlemen, we got Lin Lee en la casa. Good to see you. Manuel Last. Hey, hey. EV, indeed. Fat Nuts. Just holding my... just Yushi. Holding, just getting started to look at the monthly. Put it in the air. Daniel Santa. Put it what? Put it in the air. I know what you mean, bro. I know what you mean. Let's see over here. Fat Nuts. Fat Nuts, I'm glad that you're here, man. I hope you're doing great. Are you still hanging around? You're gonna still hang around with us? Did you get that haircut, Fat Nuts? How do you feel? Do you feel a little bit fresh? So fresh as a clang clang? Guys, let's go ahead. I got a few articles. Oh my goodness, I got too many, I will say. But anyways, let's get